because it is in front of her, no, that way. If it is not in front of her, she will not waste it.
Okay, another plate.
Yes.
Okay.
Wait,
You want to
I eat?
cut this one up, Mom?
Okay.
You want to cut this? You want?
Yeah, I will cut it.
Just a little bit of,
You want big one or small? So,
just like this, slant,
okay. Okay.
like that. Just the whole thing. You haven't tried Filipino food?
No.
No? Even before? I remember you went here last time
I went
for the,
this wedding, you know, but
for how many days? 1 week?
no, not 1 week.
Really? Just a few days only?
Every 4 days. That I don't remember what I had actually.
So this is what we call chop suey. I cook with chicken.
Yeah, I see you sometimes. Sometimes I use it.
Mom, this will be your first video on my video on my
Oh my
YouTube.
God. I will not show my face. That's it.
Why not, Mom? Does Javid know about this? Videoing?
Yeah, he knows, but I don't think he's much operating. You know.
Because if he miss you, we can always see you on the video. Just tell him. Yes. What's that knock? Gagawa pala kami mga shots ng chop suey. First time ni Mami Dear matikman yung chop suey ko. You know, Mom, I'm not a good cook. It's a tie.
Because
What happened?
they used to like my cooking so much when they were young.
Mm.
Mama, you are the best cook in the world, they will say. But I know myself. You know, since Alia came, then because she took some 3-month course on, you know, cooking. So she told she didn't like, to interfere in the cooking at all, you know.
Okay. Sa aking chop suey. Hindi ko alam kung anong kulang sa aking chop suey. Meron tayong carrots, beans, sayote, cauliflower. Kasi wala siyang yung green. Broccoli. Walang broccoli kaya yan nabili ko. Tapos cabbage, chicken. Haluan ko sana siya ng atay. Tsaka balon-balunan. Kaso lang baka ayaw ni ma'am. Hindi ko na itanong na kung kakain pa siya noon. Kaya hindi ko nabili yun. Kasi lalagyan ko nga sana. Tapos itong celery natin at saka green bell pepper and red bell pepper. So yan lang yung ating sangkap sa ating. Aywan ko kung anong kulang dito. Meron siya yung wala din ako nabiling baby corn. Kaya wala siya dito sa ating But anyway, pwede na yan siya. Titikman na ni mami yung aking luto na masarap. Ay, Diyos ko Lord, patawarin. Hindi ko alam kung nagutom na ba yung aking mamita. Pero, tanong ako ng tanong, hindi pa man daw siya nagutom. Nakalimutan ko kung may kamatis ba yung chop suey. Kasi wala akong nabili palang kamatis. Anong luto to? Hula na naman tayo. Wala ko masyadong nilagay na mantika kasi kakaya sa ating bisita. Kunting mantika lang. Yan. Dagdagan natin ng kunting mantika. Para hindi magkunog. Wala ko ng raw cubes ko. Yung aking mamager pala mga siya sa'yo kumain ng pork. So, puro tayo chicken, fish, and vegetables. Anyway, gamit ko pala yung aking phone ngayon kasi yung aking DJI puno na. Nag-pick up kami kahapon sa airport niya. Agoy! Napuno yung yung DJI sa mga video na inano ko. Kaya wala siyang space. Tapos hindi pa rin ako nakapag-edit. Marami akong trabahong gagawin. Ay, ito po. Hindi lang. May mga naman tayo, mga natira pa mga video na i-upload natin. Sana masarap ang ating luto. Sana sa ating bisita. Pero sa kaldero dito mga chefs na dala. Pressure cooker daw. Dala-dala niya pa to. Malaga yata yan sa kanya. Kaya dinala niya. Ang cute. Magpulalo kami. One day. Yan namin gagamitin.
Eating rice always with the hand. In Muslims, they say, God has given you hand to eat. Why? Not chicken, no. Chicken. Eat properly, Anna. You're talking to Jafar? Are you talking to my brother? Are they worried about you? Hmm? Are they worried about you? Yeah, of course. You're safe here. Yeah. Slowly, Anna, slowly.